Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to identify and kill zombie process in Linux. Before moving to the technical discussion, we need to know what is the zombie or different process. Zombie process is a process in Linux. It's a process that has been completed but still the entry remain in the process table due to lack of correspondence between parent and child process. Due to that, it's called as a zombie process. In my Linux system, I am having the C program code which will help to create the zombie process. Also, I am going to show you a few methods how to kill this zombie process. Actually, this code, what it will do, it will create the new process, the child process, using the fork command. You can see using the fork function, and post that. So what I am going to do here, I am applying the condition if the PID is greater than 0. So make the parent process sleep for 300 seconds, means 5 minutes, and then the else statement, I am exiting the child process. Since the parent process is waiting, and before that the child is getting exit due to the exit function. So now the child process become as a zombie because of there is no wait function system calls from the parent process to clean up the process table. So this is the example C program for the zombie process how to create. Now it's time to create zombie process using C program. So let me compile the C program, gcc zombie.c, then try to execute the C program. A.out. So go to the next window. To kill the zombie process, first we need to identify the zombie process PID. So using this command, and we can identify this is the zombie process, is called as a different process, and we can say this is the process ID for the zombie process. So also there is a one more command, using that we can check the process state. So this is, we can see here the process state become as Z, which means it's a zombie process. So there is one more option also available to identify the process, different process, using top command and batch mode. We can find that. So you can see here the process state, it is showing us a Z, means it's a zombie process. So next step is, in order to kill the zombie process, so we need to identify the parent process. So we know already the parent process ID is PPID is 1184. So using this parent process ID, we are going to send this signal child, which will kill the parent process to execute the wait system calls, then clean up the child process, child zombie process. So we have identified the parent process ID is 1184. Now we are going to send the signal child signals to the parent process. So there is a command called kill-s, and we can using the parent ID. This is our parent process ID. So we have to execute, then try to check still the zombie process is present or not. Yeah, still it is present in the system. It's not cleared. So then we have to kill the parent process ID. For that we can use kill-9 on the parent process ID. Then we can check still the zombie process exists in the system or not. So we can see the zombie process is killed now. So this is the one of the method how to clean up the zombie process. Even this method didn't help. There is a final option, we have to reboot the system. So ideally zombie process will not impact anything on the system much, but the zombie process count is more, our system will face the performance issue because due to n number of process limit might got exit, due to which new process unable to create. So because of that, and it will create the performance issue. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.